Hey everyone, here we are with the 701 again. I just wanted to do a short video upon some requests that I've received around the exhaust protector. It's a make it yourself, DIY protector, of course, in this case. So yeah, I just wanted to give a brief overview of it. I think it looks quite cool in this case, and fairly easy mods that you can do yourself for very cheap. There's no point in buying any of these online for $20-$30 when you can just go to your local hardware store and really just pick up this rubber hose and just a clamp, right? So that's all it really is. You can see that here underneath. So I've just bought this clamp and this kind of special hose. It's not really special. I think it's just a regular, just kind of regular hose that you can get at your hardware store. Intended for I think it could be for any kind of really use, but fairly simple to set this up. All you really do is just measure it out, in advance, and buy the clamp, of course, and then really it's just a matter of just cutting the hose to the right specs, and then it's fairly simple. And yeah, it's a very quick, easy mod, so anyone should really be able to do it and just save some money. And yeah, if it gets looking old, then you can always just replace it.